Hey, this will be a video chart on ASFX. Done this one many times, but it's probably been 4 or 5 months since the last time I've done it, and I've gotten quite a few requests for it that come in. There seem to be quite a few people overseas that follow this one, and it was holding up very well for quite a while. It came down here, and then for about 3 or 4 months was in this nice ascending triangle pattern and was going sideways, and then I'm not sure what happened, but maybe some bad news or something, but it broke down through this pattern here. Then you can see volume picked up, and with the volume pickup was a decrease in price. So without sugarcoating things, that's an example of what you don't want to see, assuming you're long on the stock. It's looking like it's trying to put in a new bottom right here, but just being straight and up front with people, the chart's looking very rough right now. But nonetheless, it does deserve an update because this was a pretty significant move. Unfortunately, it was a significant move in the wrong direction. But like I said, the reason I am now saying it's looking like it's trying to put in a bottom is if you look at today's candle, this is a possible bottom forming candle. It made its way back up, but then it got pushed back down, but did close even on the day. But the point of this candle is, you can look at this and say, well, maybe this push back down was a final of the selling pressure and now it's ready to head back up. Or this might just be like a doji here, where it was just a temporary type sideways action day followed by a decrease. So is it a potential bottom? Yes, but are you out of the woods and completely safe? No, not yet. You're still going to need some more confirmation, and I would say it's going to take at least the rest of this week to see if there's any sort of confirmation of a bottom. And confirmation of a bottom at this point doesn't necessarily mean it needs to go up, but just simply seeing continued sideways days where it doesn't put in any new lows would be a good test and good sign that maybe this is the bottom. And along with that, keeping your eye down here on the volume would be another key thing. What was good about today is, yes, you got a nice candle and you got a lower volume bar than yesterday. So with any sort of sideways action, you want to see volume drop off. The less volume, the better whenever the price is going down or sideways. So that's how you're going to want to analyze that sort of thing. In terms of resistances, the key one right now that seems to be just really pounding the price down is this blue line right there. That is the 10-day simple moving average, and you can see that multiple times whenever the price gets close to it, it just seems to knock it right back down. So right now it's valued at 0.0062. So this one right here, this blue line, the 10-day simple moving average, is going to be the current level of resistance that you're going to want to see the price get above, but more importantly, get some closes above it, as that'll show some sustained strength. But for the time being, I wouldn't worry about trying to break through resistances. In my opinion, the main focus is going to be trying to establish where's the new bottom on this thing. And the past 2 days, the lowest it's gone is 0045, so maybe 0045 is the bottom. But like I said, we're still going to need to see some more confirmation, and doesn't need to go up, but definitely go sideways. And if it continued to hold above 0.0045, that would be the ideal situation. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. But that is where things stand right now. On another note, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety of something for everybody, and it is all free. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was ASFX. Thanks for listening.